Oh, every bloke should have one of these, you know. Oh, what a great tool. It's long, it's hard, with a glowing red end. Oh, it's nice. Oh, it's brilliant, isn't it, eh? Fantastic bit of kit, that. Yeah, lovely jubbly. That'll stick all through the wall, won't it, boy? Eh? Oh, can I get in here? So where are we, boy? Are we finished? Cushy. Got my kitchen back. And my tumble dryer's back in. And I've got a vent down there. Again, cushy. That's all neat. I will build a box for down there. Now I need to set it. Right, that's on. Can I change the temperature? Right, I can change the temperature on there. So I don't want to do that because it would just constantly keep blowing and blowing and blowing and blowing. So I reckon that is manual. If I press the top, it should go over to a thermostat. Right, the thermostat. Well, I don't want it on 27. So at the moment, room temperature in here is 16, and I don't want it no more than 16 anyway. So as you can see now, the heater has gone down and the glow plug has gone off. Now if I want to go hotter, that will register in a minute that I've put that on. But it will do automatically. Now up the top you'll see a blue, well, the blue mountains. That is Alpine mode. It's meant to save on the pump pushing fuel through. So switch them to there, it will go off. So I want to go lower than that. I want to go about 16. That's all I want, this temperature. Then I just press OK. Now I don't know why that comes up 110 and then this blasts on. See, the glow plug has gone off red, although that's still on red. Yeah, that's lovely and warm, that is. And the dog's found his place. Is it nice and warm there, is it? You getting blowed on? Eh? Is the heat working all right for you? Suppose you're going to sit in the hallway now, aren't you, and dry off. What's that? What's that? Oh, what's this? What is it? We need to go shopping, don't we? We need to go in the van. You want to go in the van? Yeah, that should have kicked down by now. The problem is when you get these, all these controllers are different. This is the first one I've seen a priming pump that you can press, but you don't need to press that for a primer. If you want to prime, top, when you up button, your down button, if you press them in, it will prime. So I don't know why they've got a prime button there. Now you might say go look at your manual. But your manual is not not for this control panel, which is bizarre. Yeah, it's crazy, but it's working fine. The sun's out today. It's, well, like I say, it's 16 in it, 17 in here, or it is in this area. You can put it on timer. Well, I say you can put it on timer. I don't know with this one, because I don't know what two buttons are doing what at the moment. No, you've got to switch it. This one, you've got to switch off the program. Who's out there? You see him off, boy. Postman, is it? The postman bin? Is that what it is? You want to go in the van, didn't you? You want to go shopping? You've got no food, no treats, have you? Come on then. Yeah, so that's working fine. What's good about it is I can shut the living room door, which is this one, shut the bathroom door, and the heat then from this one and this one at night, if it was freezing, goes straight into the bedroom. And if I want a warm bathroom, I just close the bedroom door and the living room door, and then the heat will just go straight in. So it's a perfect setup for me, and it's cheap to run. So it's working cushy, just like I like it. Warm as toast.